Hello everyone, my name is Palakontutham and my student ID is 622415017.
And hello, my name is Pirada Kampotha, student ID 62245018.
So today I gonna represent on the topic of Citiponics, intelligent farming. This is presentation outline topics for today. There are three main topics: scope of the business, history and background, value chains analysis. First, scope of the business. The rooftop of handful of multi-story car parks in Singapore will be converted for use to farm vegetable and other food crops. According to Daniel Chance, co-founder of Citiponics, is 1,800 square meters farm atop the car parks at the block 700 in Ang Mo Kio Avenue 6 can grow between 3 and 4 tons of vegetable a month. They also grow up to 25 different types of vegetable naturally without the use of pesticides. They currently specialize in growing their own crossbreeds of lettuces. Georgina lettuces and have also been growing other varieties such as Naibai, Italy basils, and Thai basils, based on customers' requests. Secondly, history and background. Sustainable agriculture. Citiponics is a Singapore global farming company that started in 2016, which aims to grow safe products produced through its zero-waste farming process. It is co-founded by Daniel and her family friends, Thao Hawan Cook, who has a rich experience in agriculture. They start out wanting to understand how food production could be reimagined in Singapore, since almost 90% of the food is still dependent on imports, and how we could tap on underutilized space to contribute to food security and food safety in a sustainable and efficient manner. They look at space such as car park rooftop area and explored how our farming technology can be designed to be suitable for farming within neighborhood areas. So the next topic, I will let my partner to explain more about value chains analysis.
Okay, next is my part. These pictures show the whole business of the Citiponics. There are the farm, the selling parts, and the co-founders. This woman here, right here in the right, is the co-founder of the Citiponics. Okay, next is the value chain analysis in the first primary activities. The first one is inbound logistics. Citiponics grows their own crossbreed lettuce and 25 different types of vegetables without the use of pesticides. Actually, the place that they grow the veggies are at the rooftop or the car park of the high building. As we know that Singapore has less space, so they build up high building, and the top is free and we can use that space. Next one is the operations. They have a proprietary vertical farming technology called Aqua Organic System or AOS. It falls under a solid-based soilless culture, which is different from the likes of traditional farming and hydroponic farming system and use less space as well. As you can see in the picture here, the white tube is a system of the farm. Next one is the outbound logistics. They have been supplying of the vegetable directly to consumers and nearby residents, providing the river for them to enjoy their fresh farm harvest at the comforts of their own homes, and the option of self-pick-ups for residents staying nearby. And it also the product is available at the supermarket as well. Market and sales. The marketing strategies for the Citiponics is focusing on producing organic vegetables and has less impact from the pandemic of the COVID-19 because they have the delivery and it's about the food that people consume every day. The products are cultivating and sell in the supermarket and directly delivered to customers' residents. They are promoting the organic campaign and fresh veggies from rooftop. And the co-founder of Citiponics said that they're not only focused on food production but also become an agri-tech solution provider. They have developed agricultural technology and designed farming solutions that are suitable for tropical countries and hope to extend the applicability of their expertise and farming technology to temperate countries as well. And also, their service is providing fresh food, fresh vegetables, and delivered to customers and sales in Singapore. Next part is the value chain analysis in support activities. The first one is the firm infrastructure. Citiponics is a startup business in Singapore which having a crowdfunding while starting the business. Danielle Chan is the co-founder of the project with her family friend called Teo Hwa Kok. From my research, there is not an obvious firm infrastructure of the business, but I've analyzed something and think more about it a little bit. Next one is human resources management. Due to the size of business and the AOS agriculture, there are not many employees working here in my point of view because there's no obvious information about the human resources in this project. There's just only the farmer who cultivate vegetables and I think the system manager and some other employees working for logistics and office. In Singapore, they mainly use technology to work for them. Next one is the technology development. They're not only focused on food production, but yeah, as I said, they're becoming an agri-tech solution provider and also help others like in the nearby area such as the school to have the AOS system planting veggies in the school like that. And also they're using platforms to sell their product. The next one is the procurement. A replication of some equipment that are used to plant veggies such as the tube, soil and fertilizers are needed but not many in each tube, so the procurement are mainly for the maintenance of the system and some cost of fertilizers. Also with the packages used to pack veggies for selling. And also Citiponics has a campaign of mini aqua organic system. Educational sets were set up in Pioneer Primary School. It is really meaningful to see that the students are not only maximizing the AOS farming system by growing their own fresh greens, but are also giving back to the nearby community as well. These wonderful initiatives by the schools are crucial for building a future generation of students who understand the importance of both agriculture innovation and giving back to their communities. So these are the main concept of the Citiponics. They are not only producing organic vegetables and cells, but they're building knowledge of agricultural innovation through school as well. These are the reference of the information that we got. So thank you very much.